All right, let's get real for a second. You're eating healthy, you're working out, and yet, that stubborn belly fat just won't budge. I know how frustrating that feels. Now, here's the kicker. Sometimes it's not about what you're doing, it's about 3 sneaky things happening in the background. Let's start with the first one. Eating too little for too long. Yeah, you heard that right. When you keep calories extremely low for weeks on end, your body shifts into energy-saving mode. It's not trying to sabotage you, it's just trying to survive. Your energy drops, your metabolism slows, and suddenly, fat loss starts to feel impossible. It's not that your body's broken, it's simply protecting itself. For fat loss to work, your body needs to feel safe enough to keep burning energy, not stuck in survival mode. Now let's talk about reason number 2, not moving enough during the day. And I'm not talking about your workouts. You might finish a 30-minute run, but if you spend the rest of the day sitting, at your desk, on the couch, or in your car, your body's overall energy burn drops a lot. The real magic isn't just exercise, it's all the little movements you do throughout the day. Walking more, standing up, taking short breaks to move. These tiny habits send a signal to your body. Keep burning energy. And finally, the one that surprises almost everyone, liquid calories. Those fancy coffee drinks, smoothies, fruit juices, even some so-called healthy beverages. They can pack in hundreds of calories you barely notice. And the tricky part is, they don't fill you up the same way real food does. So it becomes very easy to drink extra calories without even realizing it. Over time, those hidden calories can quietly erase the deficit you need for fat loss. So if you're feeling stuck, remember this. Fat loss rarely stops for no reason. Usually, there's a small pattern hiding somewhere in your daily routine. Eating too little for too long, not moving enough during the day, or drinking more calories than you think. Fixing even one of these can restart progress faster than you expect. And if you want simple, realistic fitness advice that actually works in real life, hit subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.